Welcome to my tutorial on the FN and function keys. My name is Brandy and I will be your host today. Have fun! The function keys F1 through F12 are keys that when pressed will prompt a certain action. These features are dependent on the program you are using. FN keys are much like the function keys and commonly referred to as the function keys. The FN key is a key that when used in combination with another key allows the user to enable, disable, and modify certain features on the keyboard. The ESC key is short for escape, and it will often allow you to do just that, escape a window or program. Function plus escape toggles sound from off to on. Some keyboards even have volume increase-decrease buttons. When pressed, the F1 key will launch the application's help menu. If the application does not have a help menu, it will launch Windows Help menu. Function plus F1 locks the computer and returns you to the logon screen. F2, when pressed, this key will allow the renaming of a selected item or object. Function plus F2 changes the power save mode. Laptops have different power save modes. Look through your manual to see what your computer has to offer. When pressed, F3 will launch the Find feature. The Find feature can be used to locate a specific word or phrase. Function plus F3, Standby mode. Standby mode turns off the power-consuming components of your computer, basically shutting everything off that is unnecessary to its overall function. Any data not saved will be lost. F4. When pressed in Internet Explorer, this key will open the address bar and show you a list of recently visited websites. If you combine F4 with the Alt key, Alt plus F4, you will close any open windows or programs. Function plus F4 puts your computer into hibernation. Hibernation saves battery life and retains data, like taking a snapshot at the current state of the computer. Hibernation will allow you to retain your open files and even browser windows. F5 will refresh the current Explorer window or web page. Function plus F5, display toggling, is often used for an external monitor. When pressed, your main display will toggle between the laptop display and the external display, monitor, projector, etc. F6. When pressed in a web browser, F6 will move the cursor to the address bar. Function plus F6, brightness decrease, decreases the brightness of your display. F7. When pressed, F7 will activate the option for caret browsing. If you are not familiar with using caret browsing, go ahead and hit the F1 key and do a quick search to learn more about it. Function plus F7, brightness increase, increases the brightness of your display. F8 is mostly used for accessing safe mode on startup. Safe mode is a troubleshooting option in Windows. Restart your computer and tap F8 repeatedly. You should see a screen that says safe mode with networking, and on newer computers, the first item listed will be Repair Computer. Repair Computer is an option that will allow you to perform certain diagnostics and check disk functions. Function plus F8, Wi-Fi toggle off-on. Turns your Wi-Fi off and on. This can sometimes appear in the form of a button and is a commonly overlooked fix for Wi-Fi issues. F9. F9 has no specific function for Windows. Certain programs may use this key, so be sure to check out the hotkeys for your software. Function plus F9, touchpad off-on. Turns your touchpad off and on. This can sometimes appear in the form of a button and is a commonly overlooked fix for your touchpad not working. F10. When pressed, F10 will activate the menu bar. Using your arrow keys will allow you to navigate through the menus. Function plus F10. This will vary upon manufacturer. F11. When pressed, F11 in many web browsers will allow you to toggle between full screen and normal viewing mode. Function plus F11. This will vary upon manufacturer. F12 has no specific function for Windows. Certain programs may use this key, so be sure to check out the hotkeys for your software. Function plus F12. This will vary upon manufacturer. Print screen. Print screen takes a snapshot of the desktop, which is sent to the clipboard. Alt plus print screen will copy the active window. Press print screen, then open Paint and press Ctrl V, which stands for paste, and voila, you should see the snapshot you just took. Pause break. Pause break, if playing a game, can be used to pause or break the game for you. When combined with the Windows key, it will open up your computer's system properties. Windows key. When pressed, the Windows key displays the Start menu. There are several combinations for this key, so be sure to Google Windows key and see what you can find. Menu key. When pressed, the menu key will display the same options as right-clicking. This concludes our tutorial on the function and FN key combinations. Hope you enjoyed your stay.